Lay's products now reach over 200 countries and regions worldwide. Whether in massive supermarkets or small convenience stores, Lay's potato chips can be found absolutely everywhere. Every single day, millions of bags of potato chips are dispatched from here, loaded onto trucks, container ships, and cargo planes. This global logistics network acts as veins, continuously delivering this delicious snack to every corner of the world. Using the same production line, Lay's produces various flavored chips and customizes packaging for specific markets, ensuring rapid retail delivery. Before transforming into a bag of Lay's potato chips, potatoes must undergo months of nurturing deeply in the soil. Supported by scientifically managed irrigation facilities and modern agricultural technologies, they thrive underground for 90 to 120 days. As autumn arrives, the harvest season unfolds. In Idaho, known as the U.S. home of the potato, temperatures stabilize at an ideal 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Professional harvesters spring into action, with sharp blades plunging deep into the soil to minimize root damage. As the harvester advances, mature potatoes effortlessly float to the surface. Mixed with soil, the potatoes travel through a vibratory conveyor, shaking as they head to the next stage. Precise frequencies and amplitudes separate rocks, weeds, and other debris from the clean potatoes, ensuring the smooth progression of high-quality produce. Next, the potatoes are guided onto a side conveyor belt, gracefully dropping directly into specialized transport trucks. This highly efficient design ensures perfectly even distribution during loading, minimizing the risk of collision damage. The entire process flows flawlessly as harvesters and transport vehicles coordinate together to drastically boost efficiency. Each truck is capable of carrying 20 to 25 tons of potatoes, ensuring highly efficient operations. Meanwhile, an automated soil return system deposits the loosened soil back into place, preserving essential structure and fertility for future planting. Before being transported to the Lay's factory, millions of potatoes undergo preliminary inspections at a massive transfer station. Successive trucks unload vast quantities of potatoes into a giant receiving hopper. As industrial equipment runs continuously, the vibratory sieving system swiftly springs into action. Potatoes are guided through multiple conveyor layers, mesh screens, and rotating shafts, successfully separating rocks, roots, and excess soil, while qualified potatoes are neatly sorted by size, ready for storage. This massive system processes over 220 tons of potatoes daily. After sorting, they are quickly transferred to cold storage at 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring freshness and preventing spoilage. Upon arriving at the factory, the stored potatoes immediately enter the washing area. Inside a giant vortex tank, powerful water currents gently tumble the potatoes, washing away surface soil while fully preserving their natural structure. Exiting the washing area, a series of high-pressure sprayers are ready to thoroughly clean the potatoes. This intense water flushing effectively reduces surface microbial residues. Furthermore, modern washing technology heavily recycles the treated water, reusing every possible drop to reduce the demand for fresh water while strictly ensuring food safety standards are met. However, not every potato successfully makes it into the Lay's family. Leaving the washing area, the potatoes undergo thorough inspection in the automated sorting area. Optical sensors and high-speed cameras monitor and analyze every single potato in real time. Processing 240 potatoes per second, this system rapidly sorts thousands of products within mere minutes. When a potato is incorrectly sized or irregularly shaped, the central controller swiftly triggers compressed air, ejecting it to guarantee absolute product quality, vastly improving overall sorting efficiency and accuracy. The 15 to 20% waste rate previously caused by manual labor has now drastically decreased. The introduction of machine vision completely ensures consistent product quality and significantly raises production standards. While potatoes can be processed with their skin, Lay's typically peels them for a lighter, crispier texture. They pass through a rotating drum peeler, easily removing the outer skin using controlled friction. The potato surfaces rub gently against the abrasive walls, rapidly removing the skin. Simultaneously, streams of clean water wash away the excess starch during the process. In the slicing stage, washed potatoes enter a high-speed slicer, cut uniformly by mechanical blades. A precisely calculated thickness of 0.06 inches, comparable to standard office paper, is the result of years of rigorous research. Before entering the industrial fryer, the potato chips must undergo one final wash to remove any residual surface starch. Although this accounts for only 1 to 2% of the slice's weight, if not cleaned immediately, excessive starch will turn the frying oil completely cloudy, severely impacting chip quality. After thoroughly rinsing, the frying environment remains exceptionally stable, making it much easier for the final chips to maintain consistent color and texture. Leaving the washing area, the slices pass through a vibratory sieving system to ensure they won't stick together before frying, while completely removing all excess moisture to complete these final preparations. The slices finally plunge into the absolute core of the production process, high-temperature frying. During this stage, the starch structure rapidly transforms and internal moisture evaporates instantly, laying the foundation for that iconic, unbelievable crispness. Premium vegetable oil is heated to 347 degrees Fahrenheit with a frying time of nearly 3 minutes to ensure every single chip is evenly and perfectly cooked. Furthermore, all production stages maintain scheduled oil changes, passing through continuous filtration to ensure the removal of any tiny particles generated during frying. This high-temperature frying process thoroughly imbues the snack with its distinct, satisfying crunch. However, if not strictly controlled, excessive oil will severely weigh down the texture. Therefore, after exiting the industrial fryer, the chips swiftly pass through a powerful cooling area, meeting a blast of strong cold air that rapidly lowers the product temperature below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid cooling deeply stabilizes the crispy structure formed during frying, keeping the exterior incredibly crunchy. Simultaneously, controlling the temperature prevents excess oil absorption, further elevating the eating experience. After rapid cooling, the crisp chips enter the automated seasoning area. Here, they flow into a massive rotating mixing drum, continuously tumbling to receive a perfectly even coat of seasoning. At the exact same time, an automated distribution system sprays powdered seasoning at preset ratios, ensuring flawless coverage even during high-speed production. Inside the mixing drum, the chips tumble and gently collide, allowing the seasoning to adhere evenly to both sides, maximizing the rich flavor without damaging their fragile structure. The final seasoning is typically fine and uniform, boosting flavor while retaining original characteristics. Various recipes are strictly managed, allowing Lay's to adjust to consumer tastes across different markets. After seasoning, the chips enter the automated packaging area. A multi-head weigher operates at lightning speed, continuously measuring before dropping chips into individual bags. Each contains exactly 1 to 1.1 ounces, the standard single serving. Right before each bag is tightly sealed, pure nitrogen is injected to reduce oxygen, preventing oil oxidation and ensuring the chips stay flawlessly crisp during transport. Normally, this efficient line completes up to 12,000 packages per hour. The video concludes right here. Friends, don't forget to absolutely smash that like button, follow, and share to let more people know about this amazing content. We will see you in the next video.